Hi and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how to prime a pump inside your robotic vacuum cleaner in case it's not, as in this case, getting water from the base station to the tank over here. So we have an L10S Pro Ultra Heat on the table. Now what I did is I had to make access to the pump, so I basically undid the there is a white piece over here. I unscrewed it, as well as this small PCB that was attached to it that got unscrewed. I unscrewed this fixed arm of the mop and lifted it slightly so I can get access to the pump over here. At the same time, I unplugged the pump from this board. It's this second connector. You see it's empty. And what I did over here is I took two clips and I attached two wires to it and here to the bench power supply. Now, first I'll demonstrate how it doesn't work. Basically, I have a little bit of water over here. So this is the intake to the pump. I hit the switch and you can hear a buzzing sound, but there is nothing coming in, and you see that there is nothing really inside the tube either. So what will we do now is I'll unplug the hose from here and I'll literally, using my mouth, suck a bit of water from this cup over here into the pipe, and while the water is still in, I'll plug it back into this port. So let me do it off the camera and then we will test it again. So I've unplugged it, as I said, sucked some water in and kept it inside the tube. And now let's see if that worked. The sound changed, and voila, you see, there is water actually flowing inside the tank and the tank is filling up. So I'll stop it. So now the pump is primed. I can plug it back, I can assemble it basically back. This tube is now full of water and it will stay so. You can notice that there is a bit of a pool under the robot. That's because, if you look closer over here, there is an overflow pipe that basically goes, that leads basically under the robot. So when the water from here was splashing a bit too much, I got this pool, but that's okay. That's the design. So yeah, that's basically how you can help yourself. And also one note over here, when you will be connecting it, the black wire is the ground and the red wire is 5 volts. So please make sure you connect it with correct polarity, otherwise you can fry the pump. Yeah, so that's all. Thanks for watching and see you at the next video.